Hello. Welcome to this long journey of learning. Today, you will learn English without any effort. Just relax. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently. Feel the bed beneath you. You are safe. You are calm. Take a very deep breath. In and out. Imagine a soft light surrounding you. It is the light of knowledge. It is the light of peace. Now, just listen. Your mind is a sponge. It absorbs everything easily. Everything slowly. Let's begin. Section 2. Core Foundations. Nouns and basic objects. World. The world is beautiful. Earth. The earth is our home. Sky. The sky is blue. Sun. The sun is bright. Moon. The moon is white. Star. The star is small. Cloud. The cloud is soft. Rain. I love the rain. Wind. The wind is cool. Fire. The fire is warm. Water. I drink fresh water. Mountain. The mountain is high. River. The river is long. Sea. The sea is deep. Tree. The tree is green. Flower. The flower is pretty. Grass. The grass is wet. Stone. The stone is hard. Sand. The sand is gold. Section 3. The human connection.